Hello, everybody. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to explain to you and present to you our proposal for the Catalyst Challenge, AI and SingularityNET, a 5 trillion market. And thanks for the community member who proposed this. There have been a lot of proposals coming in for this, and one of them was submitted by me, and it is called a semi-open collaboration platform. Now, I'll explain to you what we mean with that. My role at SingularityNET is VP of Product, and I guess in that role I had a conversation with Ben Kurtzel, our CEO, the other day or a couple of weeks ago. And it went a little bit like this. We have a lot of communication going out there, but there are also a lot of things being discussed within the walls of SingularityNET that never get out there or only much later. So while inside it seems like we're bristling with energy and there are so many ideas being discussed and popping up, etc., only a small portion of that is being communicated to the outside world. And we were brainstorming in a short way on how we could improve that. For instance, have a podcast. And then Ben came with this idea to expand our current internal communication platform and actually add a layer on top of that where we could communicate with the broader community directly. So currently we're using Slack. We could use it as a basis, but could also be another program. Slack is made in a way that you can have closed groups for a small amount of people that you select. You can have open groups where the whole organization can contribute and read. And we would put another layer on top of that where selected members of the community would be invited to help us with our discussions. Meaning that we could inform them of the kind of thinking that we're doing. And the other way around, that the community could feed us with feedback to that ideas and give us input from things that are maybe living into the community, making our bond between the inside world and the outside world much closer, with the effect of becoming much more transparent than we are at the moment. So I think that's a great vision, and I'm embracing it totally. And the way that we could accomplish that is that, well, we can have a number of social media platforms wherever our community is. But let's, for example, take Telegram. We could rate activities of people on Telegram by monitoring how often they add a message, post a message, the length of the messages, how often they are referred to, etc. And based on that, we could create a kind of reputation for each user, and then the people with the highest reputation would be invited onto our platform. We can put an AI layer on top of that, which helps us to automate that, which can tag messages by topic, which can do sentiment analysis, which can provide perhaps some anti-gaming analysis. We will put those AIs out on our platform. We will use some other AIs also that have been created by other teams, and we will work with other teams in the community. For instance, Illuminati.ai with their AI swarm would be great to cooperate with them and have some joint services out there that we can both use. And then in the end, the result will be that we will have a platform that we can open up to the community. But it's not just for us. It could also be very helpful for Cardano and the Cardano community. You would be able to do the same and have a much directer communication line between the general public and whatever is going on internally. On top of that, the services would be on the platform. The reputation that we are creating can also be used for a lot of other purposes later on. So those AIs will serve multiple purposes, I'm sure, in the future. So this is our vision. We will be recruiting a team for that. We will be heading it from SingularityNET, sponsoring it in a way, helping the team. But we hope we can also make this project a community effort as well. So I hope that you're as enthusiastic as I am about this, and that you will vote for this project. There are a number of cool other projects there as well. So yeah, I really hope to see you there and vote for the best products out of there. And yeah, it would be great if we could actually start working on this very soon. Thank you.